How to add subscriptions on your Shopify store. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to add subscriptions on your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. Go to your Google Chrome right here. Open up your Shopify account. Log into your Shopify account. To your admin. And by the way, guys, Shopify has a subscription panel right there, so you can offer customers convenient and recurring payment options for their favorite products. Subscriptions are a fantastic way to boost customer loyalty and recurring revenue for the online store business. So right there, we're gonna go to our store. Click this one right here. Confirm. Open up our account. So the first thing you have to do is go to your Shopify, navigate to apps, and then right here you have to select a plan first if you don't have an access yet. So this is for your subscription, for your personal subscription right here. Choose basic, choose Shopify, choose advanced right there. So what we're gonna do is go and try to create a new store right here. This is just for tutorial purposes only, guys. Skip this all part right there. So right there, this is just a sample store for us to use. Then click on this part right here. It's now building up our store. And then let's go to apps once this download or building store is done. So once we're in here, let's go and click on add apps. So go to Shopify store and a new tab will open right here. And then here at the search bar, let's go and click recurring orders and subscriptions. So right here, we're gonna add a app for this one. So as you can see right there, subscriptions, recurring orders, click on that. Once you click on that, add app. Once you have that app, click your Shopify store, and then let's install the app to our account in order for us to add a subscription for our customers. So once you've done that, install the app. So once you've installed the app, navigate all those settings right here and make sure to customize it just the way you like it. So right there, select a plan first right here in order for this to be active. So for free, the settings, and that's it, guys. Well, that's it, guys, and you've successfully learned how to add subscription to your Shopify store. By offering subscription options, you can provide your customers with a seamless and flexible way to receive their favorite products regularly. And we hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Shopify tips and e-commerce strategies. And if you have any questions, don't forget to feel free and leave the comments down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.